Hello again and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Today we're looking at how to link words together to make your spoken English sound more natural. For example, easy peasy English. I don't say easy peasy English. I join peasy English. I join them together. I join together two vowel sounds. Easy peasy, E, easy peasy, I, English. E, I, peasy, English. So two vowel sounds. How do I join them together? Try it yourself. Go from E to I. E, E, E. There's an extra sound in the middle, in between E and I. E, E. There's a little Y sound. A little Y sound. Easy peasy English. Easy peasy English. Welcome again to Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Have a look at these 4 sentences. Can you link any vowel sounds together? Look at the first sentence. The story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. The story is. Story is. You can link those two together with a little Y sound. The story is very, and another one, very interesting. The story is very interesting. Another little Y sound. The story is very interesting. Try it yourself. The story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. Have a look at number 2. Stay at home for a day or two. Stay at home for a day or two. Can you join some vowel sounds together? Have a look here. Stay at, that's a vowel sound, stay, E, and A, another vowel sound. So you can link those two together. It makes your English sound much more natural if you can link the sounds together. Stay at home, stay at home, stay, again another Y sound. Stay at home. Stay at home for a day or two, a day or two, day or, again here, day or two, again a little Y sound, day or two. Stay at home for a day or two. Stay at home for a day or two. Try to say the sentences slowly and then get faster. Stay at home for a day or two. Have a look at number 3. This is slightly different. Have a look. Are there any vowel sounds you can link together? Listen to the sentence. There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow, oh. That's a vowel sound, oh. Ah, another vowel sound, snow, ah. It's not a Y, it's not the same. Here, it's different. Snowand, snowand, snowand. There's a W sound, a little W. Snow and ice. There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. Try it slowly. There was snow and ice everywhere. And then a bit faster. There was snow and ice everywhere. And the last one. This is also going to be a little W sound. Have a look at this sentence and listen. I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't do anything about it. Two vowel sounds. here and here. Oo, eh, oo, eh, oo, eh. How can you join oo and eh together? Ooh, eh, ooh, eh. Do anything. Again, a little w sound. I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't do anything about it. Do anything. I couldn't do anything about it. English, remember, is a rhythm-stressed language. The story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. So this word is stressed. The story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. So all these other words and sounds have to fit into the d. Story, very interesting. The story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. Have a look at the next one. Which words are stressed here? Stay at home for a day or two. Stay at home for a day or two. Stay, home, day, two. Stay at home for a day or two. Again, all the other words and sounds must fit the rhythm. Stay home, day two. Stay at home for a day or two. Look at number 3. Which words are stressed? There was snow and ice everywhere. Possibly here, there, but definitely here. Snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. Snow, ice everywhere. Snow, ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. And the last one, what do you think? Which words are stressed? I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't do anything about it. Couldn't anything about it. Couldn't anything about it. I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't do anything about it. So there we are. English pronunciation, linking vowel sounds together. It's easy peasy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.